Welcome back to Xunjie YouTube channel. Today, we're starting a two-part series to explore the amazing cost reduction advantages of 3D printing. One of the primary ways 3D printing slashes costs is in material usage. Take the automotive industry as an example. A leading car manufacturer used to produce a particular engine part through traditional machining. After adopting Xunjie's 3D printing technology, they could print the part with precision, using only the essential amount of material, thus cutting material waste substantially. Another crucial cost-saving area lies in the design and prototyping phase. In the traditional design process, making a minor design change would cost thousands of dollars due to retooling and wasted prototypes. However, with 3D printing, we could swiftly modify the digital design and print a new prototype within a day. This iterative design process not only saved a great deal of time, but also a fortune in development costs. Join us in the next episode as we continue to uncover more ways 3D printing can benefit your business.